Here I am creating the dependent drop-down list based on the country and the cities. So we have here 3 countries and their cities. India, they have 4 cities. UAE have 4 cities. KSA have 3 cities. So I am selecting this list. Click on formulas. We can see here create from selection. Click here. Only tick top row only from, because I am creating the name ranges from top row onwards. Click OK. We can see here the 4 name ranges. Click here. We can see the name ranges here. So what I am going to do here, I am creating a validation list on the country and the city. So first we need India. On India, what are the cities to be shown on the city list? So I am removing this country and city and click on data validation. On the list, I am writing here the country name range equals country, the first name range. We can copy on the below row also. We can see all the 3 countries here. We need to show the city of each country. So before that, we have 4 cities are here. So before that, we can start from indirect function. Indirect, open parenthesis, any cell reference, close parenthesis, enter, because that cell doesn't contain anything. I'm just entering here hello. We can see the reference there. See that cell reference hello. So now we can take the name ranges using indirect. So indirect, open bracket, see the name ranges of KSA here. Now I am using the same indirect on the city column. Type here indirect, open parenthesis, click the country cell, remove the $sign behind the number, close bracket, click OK. When I click any country here, that particular country city we can see here. Just copy the below row also, so that we will get for the other countries. I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.